All right, we're on the way to the gas station to get stuff, and then we're gonna go cliff jumping. Woo! Can I get a?
And we're off.
Nice.
Are we ready? Down for a monster. Rogue koala. No way.
This man's just got lime cucumber.
Wait, should we get
lime
cucumber?
cucumber?
It contains quin.
You got it? That did not go in as expected. Perfect.
That's all ice.
That's all the ice in one
That's all
bag.
you got, Jake?
Dude, this
You grabbed the bag.
$2.50. Let's go grab the dirt ice over there.
Fuck it.
Dude, that one's not rinsed off though.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now. Free ice.
How do you say, hey, I'm walking here in fucking Spanish?
You say, cabrón! Okay,
Shout out Vikings.
okay. Okay,
Cocaine.
okay, okay. Okay, okay. 8 okays out of 10. Let me see. Let me see what you're drinking though.
To the town of our free rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make a slip. The stranger there among them had a big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip.
There it is. Penis rock. Penis rock. Dick rock.
Cock rock.
Dick rock. Cock rock. Dick rock. Kick rock. Dick rock.
Chug rock, chug rock, chug rock, chug rock.
Dick rock. Dick rock.
Dude,
Dick
it's
rock.
got balls too.
Dick rock. Dick rock.
Little set of balls.
Dick rock.
It's got a nice set of balls.
It's got a nice pair of balls, a nice shaft, and a head. Woo.
Oh man.
Make a left here.
I'm gonna fucking sock you in the mouth.
We're shredding the gnar right now.
This powder spine.
Oh my god.
We're shredding the gnar right now.
Go for it, bro.
Dude, stop, it's already dead. You do be shitting though.
That looks so big.
That's what she said.
I can't wait to tan.
Yeah, baby! Woo! How was that? Let's go! The baby! Yeah! Woo, Jeffrey! How's the water?
It's so cool.
It was early in the morning when he rode into the town. He came riding from the south side, slowly looking all around. He's an outlaw, loose and running, came the whisper from each lip.
Can we sing sea shanties?
So windy, bro.
What you know about rolling down? What you know about rolling down? let you know.
Crazy.
But it has like a lined tail though. I don't know if it's bearded. Maybe it's a lady?
It's fat. It's fat.
Wow. Look at that. Wow. That's something else.
You toss it this way, I'll try and catch it. If I don't, it'll break that way. What the fuck? What in the fuck?
It's coming back.
It's not gonna break.
Jeffrey spotted it again. We got a desert skink of some sort. Cut. That is not a desert skink. That is a Great Basin whiptail lizard. Instead of trying to sound smart on the fly, next time, why don't you just get it right, dumbass? Wow. Look at that. Absolute beautiful specimen. Oh, look at the colors. You can barely see them in the sunlight.
I think it's a blue belly skink.
No, it's not.
We haven't even seen its belly though.
Here, I can catch it here. Whoa! Wait, where the fuck did it go?
It went up into the bush up here. It's gone. It's up there.
No, dude, it went in here.
No, I have it on video.
What? It's so fast.
That was sick.
Rock in my head when we're walking to Max's Park.
Yeah.
You just fucking go.
Hey, Jeff.
I'm gonna snipe it.
Kevin, throw it this way.
Okay. New rock.
Yeah! Woo! Bird. I got distracted by bird. Yo, Jake, can I get a poop?
Oh, what?
A poop?
A poop?
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 Hey, yo! Poop! Yeah!
Yeah, baby!
Ow! Ow!
You good?
Fuck, that hurt.
Did you poop?
He leaned back a little bit.
Yeah. That was a little bit of a slap, dude.
Ow! Ow! Ah! You okay?
Fuck. Fuck.
Are you okay?
Ass.
Dude, did you poop?
Dude, just poop. I pooped. It hurt.
He sat down and took a shit into the water. As he entered the water, he was at like the same distance as a toilet bowl. He was like,
Dude, that was a slap. I as soon as you hit, I was like, damn, he's slapped.
I kind of
Wait. Ice in the veins?
Yeah, you want to go one more time?
Dude, you are red as Yeah.
Wait, let me touch it.
Wait, let me see.
I just
Yeah,
want to
let's see.
Oh!
Oh, it is, dude.
Oh!
Oh, baby.
Yeah, just warm up, bro. You're fine.
Baby
That was a
doll.
hell of a jump.
Yeah,
You were like
look at these
this.
waves,
You were
dude.
like this, and then you slapped down when you entered.
That's what I know. That's judo practice, bro.
Judo practice. Fuck yeah, dude.
Dude, you made that water your bitch.
Poop! Poop! Poop, 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 poop! 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 Jeff, can I get a 9K peak trick? Stop! Oh yeah! Beach City? Sin City? Vice City? Alright. 5! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Oh yeah, baby! It's cold. It's so cold. Dude, I was waiting in this shit. You were waiting.
I don't know why that was so freaking to me for some reason, but fuck.
Oh yeah, sad. 9K peak check, baby!
God damn, dude. It's like we're in a fucking cartoon. That is really not that high, dude.
It doesn't look that high, but
Say it every time you come down.
I know, and then you stand up there, and then it's
like
really
holy shit. Well, also you're like another like 6 feet, like
yeah,
five
like
or something.
that tall compared to this.
So you're like another 5 feet up.
How tall is that? Like 30 feet?
It's definitely over 25. What's up then? What you want? Some smoke? You want some? Come get it then.
This head smoke, you bitch.
I know, there's just a
Get your ass hit with the grip.
If you want something, come get it.
Hit a nigga with a
Don't
Russian
fuck around if you ain't got it.
AK-47.
Get that little fucker.
Bitch ass nigga.
What? What? Huh? Yeah.
I'll fucking shove you.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Bitch,
I'm a big gangster.
Alright, 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 here. Today we're gonna be looking for some river treasure.
Today we're gonna be magnet fishing for some World War II antique memorabilia.
Yeah, they were fighting the fucking Nazis out in the middle of the fucking Mojave.
Oh!
Bitch, I'm a big gangster.
Free
99.
Shavakadu. Free lure.
It's actually a really nice lure.
Dude,
too.
it stood out like a sore thumb against like that bleak,
Yeah.
like moon-like horizon. It was just like bright as hell. Video of Jake saying something funny.
Poop!
Yes!
I was like suffering for a second. I was like,
It's been a good day. Good jumping, good swimming, good hiking, a little bit of natural wildlife. It's nice too. It's not too hot out. It's only like 80 something. The sun's hot, beating down, but it's also pretty windy, so it's cooling this off. But it's been a good day. Been a good day of at the lake. You were shredding this gnar? We're shredding this gnar?
oh right, dude, we're shredding this fucking sand spine. It's super sharp on each side. Don't biff it, dude.
Absolutely shredding the gnar right now. Absolutely shredding the gnar.
Don't biff it, dude. Swishity.
Nibbity, nibbity.
Man, why is he stressing? You call us happening?
I call it happening. Cheers.
I was so slow.
We're gonna pick them up after.